Hi everyone! I have this camera and first I'd like to fix it to the ceiling. Here is a standard quick release holder. Don't want to take it off the camera. To make this, first of all, I have to model this holder under this platform and print it on the 3D printer. Let's go! After quick modeling I have this detail. Here is a latch that will fix our platform and a holder with a hex hole for bolt. Model is ready, let's print it.
Printing. Printing complete. Start assembly.
Nut glue.
Ready. One more. Nice.
Testing it holds well. The second one. Holds perfect. Here is a magnet stand for micrometer. Let's try to fix this holder to it. It has to be jammed good. Fixing camera. Voila! Holds are perfect. Now I have more possibilities for taking video. Now I want to take it off and fix this scene to the ceiling. Here, ready, you can rotate it as you wish. The camera snapped and fixed it excellent. The bracket is higher than me, so it doesn't disturb me. Looks good. See you in the next video. Bye!